So previously we had looked at conversion of IP addresses to decimal and decimal back to so it actually helps when you're trying to calculate subnets. So for every IP address like this, you have 8 bits here, you have another 8 bits here, you have another 8 bits here, and so when you see subnets like 255.255.255.0. So for the 8 bits, let's say you convert 192 to 2, then 192, this is in base 10 and this base 2. So we have 2 here, we have 19, 18, 9, we have 1 remaining here, which is 96, remainder 0. So 2 here again, 9, that's 8, 4, 1 here, that's 48, remainder 0. 2 here again, we have 2, 4, remainder 0. 2 here again, we have 12, remainder 0. 2 here again, we have 6 here, remainder 0. 2 here again, we have 3, remainder 0. Come down 2 here again, we have 1, remainder 1. 1, remainder 1. Then 2 here again, we have 0, remainder 1. So if we point it back up here, you have 1, 1, 0, 0. Yes. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to make up for 8. Now I think what we didn't do yesterday is let's use a number like 17. Let's find its binary. So do this 17. So put 2 here, 2 into 17, that's 16, 8, remainder 1, 2 here, 4, remainder 0, 2 here, 2, remainder 0, 2 here, 1, remainder 0, 2 here, we have 0, remainder 1. And we strike it up here and we check it out. We have let me write it down here. So we have 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So you see you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's not complete. So what we now do is to add 0, 0, 0. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's not complete. If you should check it, it will give you 17. Remember we have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. So if you try adding now this one falls under 1 here. We count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's 16. So 16 plus 1 is going to give you 17. So that's how we got this binary here. So that's it. So for the ones that you just have 5 numbers or less than 4, you have to like add zeros at the beginning to complete it, to make it complete 8 bits. So let's go back to the IP address itself. So let's do something. We have 192.168.57.17 slash let's use slash 26. We have 8 bits here, we have 8 bits here, 8 bits here, and another 8 here. So if you add 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, it's going to give you 32 bits. So what I do is minus, subtract 26 from 32. So 6. So we have 6 left. So okay, so we have 192.168.57.17/26 here, and we have, this is the binary form of it. So to calculate this subnet, so that we know the network address, we know the broadcast, we know the range, and we know the usable IP addresses here. So first of all, to know the network address, so what I do is to do, because if you add all the bits here, add all these 1 and 0s here, you give you 32. So I subtract 26 minus 32 is going to give you 6. Going to give you 6 here. So, and now where that 6 fall under is under this last one. So if we have something here like 15 here, that means we've crossed bar. So we'll do maybe 32 minus, or let's say 16. So that's 32 minus 16, that's 16. That means we've crossed over into this other bit. So we're subtracting these other bits here. But all we are doing at 26 is just 6 bits we are going to be touching from this one. So subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from here. So all of these ones here now are the network bits. Network bits, and this one are the host bits here. Host bits. So to calculate the IP addresses here, the network IP addresses here, what we do is that we give all of these here zeros. So if you have all zeros, what is going to be the host bit? That means the host bit there, or the network address there, is going to be, yeah. So let's say we have 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. That's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So everything here is 0, so there's nothing. So what we have as the network address is 192.168.57.0/26. Yeah, so this is the network address. So, and the broadcast address, so we have this, and we have all ones here. So we have all one. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 0 0 1 1 1 1 1. So if we are to add, that will be 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32. So let's add it and see what you get. So if you add all of this from here to here, you will have 63. So the broadcast address is 192.168.57.63/26. Then the range, to calculate the range, yes, okay, yeah, to calculate the range, you already know the network address and the broadcast address. So the range is from 192.168.57.0 to .63. That's the range of the IP address. To know the usable IP address is, you just subtract. So you have usable IP address. So the range, you will have 192.168.57.0 to 63. So that's the range of this IP address, and the usable IP address there is going to be, you just have this, you just subtract two IP addresses. You subtract the network IP address and the broadcast IP address to get the usable IP address. So the usable IP address is going to be from 1.1 to .62. So you have 192.168.57.1 to 192.168. So 192.168.57.1 to 192.168.57.62. So this how we still used to calculate it. Now, if it's bigger, because there are sometimes you will not be able to easily get it like this, especially when you have another octet here. Maybe you have like /16 or have like /18 or /15. Yeah. So what we do is we do 2 raised to the power of n network bit, 2 raised to the power of host bit. Yeah, 2 raised to the power of host bit minus 2 equals to number of usable IP address, number of usable IP addresses. So that's it. So if you do, let's say number of host bits is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we say 2 raised to the power of 6 minus 2. So let me use this side. So we have 2 2 2 2 1 2 3 2 here, 1 2 3 4 5 2. So this. So you have 2 2 4 4 4. So you have 4 16 4. So 4 times 16 going to give us 64 here. So we have 2 raised to the power of 6 minus 2. So we have 64 minus 2, which is going to give us 62. So we can see here, so we have 192.168.57.1 to 62. So we have 62 usable IP address. So that's it for this video, and see you on the next one, where we'll be looking at the easier way to go about all of this whole thing. Yeah, thank you. Have a nice day.